Travel by Qatar. I'm here in Ritz-Carlton Hotel for a tour to their new facilities. Let's find out. Hello, we are here live in Ritz-Carlton Hotel. We will try the buffet here inside.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name again?
My name is Yarima.
Zarima.
Yes.
From Venezuela,
Hello,
Caracas.
Star. Where's Star? Ayan, hello. Ayan. Madam. What's kind of buffet? What kind of buffet? Turkish, no?
Yes. Right now it's ready. It's the vegetarian lunch. And it's very good. It's very every weekend we do variety. So this week is a very nice one. And also we have already have cinnamon, we have saffron, very
Here on this side, juice, fruits, drinks, and their bread. Their salad.
What you see from that side is a paper is
So nice. Then on this side, barbecue and grill. Hello, madam. What's on this side? What's on this side? Barbecue and grill, no? This one is the fish. We are here, Facebook Live.
Some kebab,
Fish and chicken.
wings.
Thank you. Hello, chef. What's in here?
Correct? Correct. We are calling sigara böreği. This is the inside the cheese.
Ah.
This is the su böreği. We are cooking in the water. That one is filafet, like a baklava dough.
This one?
This is different. This is the same. This is different spinach.
I see. Thank you, chef. And this one?
This is the midye tava. This is the mussels.
Mussels.
Fried the mussels.
Live
Tempura.
cooking.
And the tempura.
Wow.
And we have tarator sauce. This is the tarator sauce. Basic yogurt, mayo, walnut.
For the cream, no?
Not cream. Mayo, yogurt,
Mayo.
walnut, breadcrumb, lemon juice, garlic.
Thank you, chef. They call it pickle juice. Torso suyu. This one, kafta. Turkish vegetarian kibe. Wow, all the fruits are here. They have also ice cream, pistachio, chocolate, vanilla. Wow. With the tarts, pudding, brownies. Madam, how much the buffet? 108? All Arabic desserts here on these sides. These are the surroundings. There's some music out there. Live music with piano.
Carlton. The theme is worldwide brunch. Sometimes we have a Mexican, and then next time we will have American pan brunch. The price different.
Now to pool area. What's new? What's new here?
Yes, you know the outdoor pool and the indoor pool. This is the everyday. And also we have a new beach. We're opening right now. So you can get the travel. It's a very private beach. It's very good. You can access here from pool day classes or just stay in the hotel or just go to one.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Like you're seeing the beach, the outside beach is very like a beach, really.
Yeah, it's nice, the pool area. I really
Yeah.
love it.
It's really like a beach.
It's like a
Very nice.
waterfall.
We have a lot of fun.
So relaxing. So relaxing view here. A lot of trees. Perfect place for relaxation. It's not that hot because a lot of trees.
And also we have a little bar here.
There's a little bar. The pool is there's indoor pool and there is outdoor pool.
Yes, still outdoor. We have different parts.
Hello Kuya, how are you? Donkey from I Love Qatar, then Star Vlogger. We have a tour here today.
My name is Ligo and I'm in part of the Flamingo. I hope that you will come here, especially on this. Thank you.
Very nice. It's like Infinity Beach. The beach on the side. Now indoor pool. Madam, you are telling something about this indoor pool? So wide. Limited time.
1 hour.
1 hour.